Hey bunnies, sorry that the office is such a mess. I had a long day, so hopefully that will be cleaning up for you guys really soon. But I have a great part two to the Frozen series. So you guys saw a lot of the Frozen items I did in a previous video. Some of those are now being gifted to my sister's boyfriend's daughter. My mom called me. She needed a gift for a little girl. I was like, you got Disney princesses. I got Frozen. I got some Mickey Mouse. She was like, Frozen. I really like Frozen. She's a Frozen fan. So, if you guys remember the Frozen Tsum Tsums that I did, this is how I packaged them. So I put a silver ribbon with, curlies at the top, and then I put it inside this bag. And the Frozen Snow Globe and Watch. Dollar Tree actually carries the Frozen paper, so I really liked it. It looks like there's a ribbon on, but that's just part of the wrapping paper, so I really like that, along with some other things that are inside her bag. And my mom suggested, instead of using a regular gift bag, to go buy a tote. I couldn't find any Frozen totes, but I found a Disney Princess one, but she's got plenty of stickers, so maybe she can put some Frozen stickers and make this a little bit more Frozen-esque. But yeah, so she's got some gifts in there. I wanted to share some other Frozen items that Dollar Tree is carrying. Now, I went to 2 different Dollar Trees to get some of these. So the first item, it's kind of old, but I finally saw it getting restocked again, is these Color Alive 2.0s. So basically what it is it has the crayons and the coloring book, and once you finish coloring it, you scan it after downloading an app, and basically the coloring interacts with you. The app is called Color Alive 2.0. and you're able to download it on the Apple, Google, and the Microsoft store. So I really like that. Official Disney merch, and not bad for $1. So all these items today will be $1. The next item I found was this humongous, look, it's so big. Look how big that is. This humongous Color and Play. It's basically the same thing, retrospectively speaking. So here is the download the free app, and you can do it both on the Apple and the Google store. This one actually has the coloring and activities in this really big book. It's nice, good size, big book. So I know she's going to enjoy that. And just to confirm, she has enough crayons or the colors that she wants. I did go ahead and pick up this 24 pack of Frozen crayons. So I know that she's really going to like that. And it's the, I've shown these before. It's one of those tin puzzles. I like to frame them. I'll show you in a minute how I frame them, but what I was thinking is, if she does do a frame, she can put her crayons into the tin, or maybe she'll just put her puzzle back. Some new items that I saw, they are at least new to my Dollar Tree, is the bubbles. So I got her some Frozen bubbles. I'm hoping maybe she can blow them and think they're more like snowflakes. Because bubbles are translucent, but very cool. I also saw that they had this, which was brand new. It is a jump rope with the Frozen characters on it. So I like that. This is a restock item. It is the Frozen conditioning shampoo. They only have this one. They don't have like a conditioner or body wash. It's just this. So I went ahead and picked that up for her so she can have that as well. So all those are going to go in with some other items from a previous video. Going back to the puzzles and how I frame them, I told you guys my last video when I was doing Disney villains that I had framed my Disney villain portrait. I actually just bought this frame today, so I put it in a different frame. I like this one a little bit better. It does cover up, because it is that border one, some of the characters, but all in all, I still kind of like this. This one makes it, I think, look a little bit more rich. I actually might go ahead and see if they have signatures and try and mock the signatures and put it around here. And then I framed the Disney villain stamps in this one. I actually should probably do a black background, but when you're on limited time, you do what you got to do. So another YouTuber who I follow, I love her, is Bargain Bethany. She actually did a tutorial where she took like I believe it was a mirror. I have mirrors at mine, I don't just have the frames. So I believe she took out the mirror and did a like music notes where she wrote the lyrics. So I thought that was a really cool idea, and I just wanted to Disneyfy it. So basically what I'm going to do, because I have villain pictures, is I'm going to print out some music notes and I'm going to write in the lyrics to some really popular Disney villain songs. Izzy suggested I do Tom Mottola's Shiny because that's one of his absolute favorite songs. So I did go ahead and purchase 2 of these. And if you guys want to go ahead and see that video, I'll go ahead and link that in the description box below so you guys can see what I'm planning on doing with these, making them Disneyfied. And then the last thing I got, which I thought was really cool, and I'll probably be including this in a future Disney box because I think it's something that I'm going to continuously do to my family and for Izzy, because he seems to be really in the Disney spirit all of a sudden, is I got these, and these are super, super cute. So I do have a little brother that is being homeschooled, and these are 12 recognition awards from Disney Cars. So I think this is so cool, and I'm going to take this to my new office. If you guys don't know, Kingman is actually part of Route 66, and that's exactly where that's the road in which Lightning McQueen basically makes famous. Again, they actually have like a little museum, and it talks about Angel Delgadillo, who was kind of almost like the inspiration. I don't want to say he was the inspiration for this movie, but he's part of it. He turned around and was, you know, wanted to rename it as Historic Route 66 so that they would get tourists and stuff. So here are the 2 little awards. They are so super cute, and I'm probably going to display them. I want to have a Cars section in my new office to put just Cars items because, again, I will be living on Route 66, which Lightning McQueen made famous again. So that's super cool. So that's all the new Disney items that I picked up from the dollar store. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys can find some of these items at a store near you. And remember, you can always get Disney on a discount.